Alright, YouTube. So, I'm actually gonna pull everything out of my pockets and explain my everyday carry. Now, I actually carry these things. So, if you would see me out on the street and ask me, there is no change in this. I'm not trying to look cool or look better. I have found over the years of me carrying things right now, I have the best assortment of tools in everyday carry or EDC on me. So we're going to get right into it, and I'm going to briefly explain why I have the stuff that I do. So I like 511 tactical pants. I just wear them. I like OD green. I kind of roll with that majority of the time to carry extra things. So in the two top pockets up here, my knife is a Pacific Salt H1 steel. This is Spyderco's Endura 4, but it's actually a Pacific Salt. Like this knife a lot. I do maritime, so I'm always around salt water. My stuff corrodes very quickly. This has not. I've used this for over 2 years, and it's still, you can see it's got some wear to it, but nowhere near what a normal knife would be like. Also, keys. I like the Keysmart, right? So, my specific keys, they kind of go out like a Swiss Army knife. If you need to find your keys, you can hit the tile button, right? So from your phone, you can find it, or the opposite way around. Say you lose your phone, you hit this, and it finds your phone. It rings it back and forth. Helps out a lot when I lose my keys. Next, multi-tool. So I am rolling with a Leatherman Wave. I love this multi-tool, and the main reason why is it has scissors. Perfect. That's what I like a lot, along with all the other assortment tools, of course, that I can use whenever I need them. Next, working my way down on the left back pouch, which is like an AR-15 pouch. You kind of can slip in there. I don't use it for that, but I carry a flashlight, which this is a Streamlight Protac1L-1AA. So the cool thing about this, I think this is the best EDC flashlight out there. Others will argue, but this takes 3 different fuel cells. I can put CR123s in here, I can put AA's, and I can put AAA's in a pinch. And this flashlight will run with all 3 of those cells. It's a single cell. Obviously, it has a nice clip, so it can clip down on things, and it can reverse clip. So, like my baseball cap, it can go onto my baseball cap, which I like that. Also, I specifically put the bungee around so I can put it in my hand and wrap it around. So the flashlight isn't going anywhere. Say I might get in a fight or a scuffle or something like that, or I'm just looking for something or moving around a lot, and I can actuate that button, it won't fall off. Just some shock cord just attached to it. No big deal. Cool. Moving back down to this side, what else I keep in this pocket is a Rite in the Rain pad with a pen. I like their orange pens. Their bullet pens are freaking awesome. I always lose the black ones because they blend into the ground. I went with an orange one, so when you drop it, it's immediately there. You can find it very easily. And plus, not too many people want to steal an orange pen. Here's an elastic keeper for it, because I can never find a good way to keep a pen other than like in your sleeves, but I don't like that. So they make just this little elastic that actually goes around the notebook. So, of course, I have all kinds of different stuff in here. Gear loadouts, 9 lines, UXOs, all kinds of stuff for my specific job and whatnot. But Rite in the Rain, solid winner. I love their products. Moving over to the right side, I carry a wallet, which this is a Ridge wallet. All my IDs are in here, everything's ready to go, no issues, very small and slim, not bulging out anywhere. Moving down to the right side, I carry a rat tourniquet. Yep, you're gonna say, holy crap, you carry a lot of stuff and I would never carry that. Cool. roll with you. That's what you do. I carry a tourniquet everywhere I go. Just specifically. If I have a way to put holes in someone, I better have a way to plug holes. Makes sense, right? Which merges into this. This is in the left cargo pocket. It's a little beefy, right? So some people would say, oh, it's just a wallet, right? You could use it for that. It's actually a Rite in the Rain, one of the notepads, the smaller one. It's a cover for it. But I have merged it, or kind of modified it, to carry a full trauma kit in here. So, well, I wouldn't say full, but a mini trauma kit that can get enough things done. And I'll just discuss it real quick. So I have gloves, of course. In the front here, I have gauze, quick clot. I have wound seal, entry and exit. Small band-aids. Of course, if you don't carry band-aids in a small trauma kit, I don't know what you're doing with your life, because everybody raids trauma kits for band-aids because band-aids are the most common thing. So, common sense, put band-aids in there, right? You use them all the time. That's what I do. And then I have a small mini compression bandage. So it could be used for multiple of things. I'm not going to get into the details, but this whole kit, I mean, it kind of covers a lot of your medical basis. And it fits just so smallly and snugly in this Rite in the Rain tactical pouch. I don't know, what is it called? Don't know. Doesn't matter. So that is everything except for a firearm, which I like carrying appendix. That's always how I've run. Actually, before I get to that, let's go to the watch really quick. Cool. Timex Ironman Triathlon. 3 time zones, 3 alarms, chronograph, countdown timer. $40. Works. I have a Sage one I've been using since like 2010. This is my second one. So they just work. I don't need anything else. I like watches, but they work. Back to the firearm. So I carry a Glock 19 in a T-Rex arm holster. So I like carrying kind of loosely. T-Rex arms holster. I love this thing. Carries an extra mag. Very well done. Just to go over, I guess it's just a Glock 19, right? Yes, it's loaded, ready to roll. Trijicon RMR and a TLR1HL. So I like this light. You can see how beat up it is. I've been using it for a long time and it works very well using this gun. Suppressor height sights, so you can actually 1/3 co-witness through your dot. That's what I prefer. If you don't like it, cool, rock on what you like. T-Rex arms holster, highly recommend it. Extra magazine. I guess the last thing is, this is a really old belt. It is, look, you can see how just beaten this thing is. It's probably been worn, I mean, every single day for 4 years probably at least. I need a new one. Carhartt belt. Not too sure specifically which one it is. I think it's their like contractor's belt or journeyman's belt. Something like that. I'm not too sure. But anyways, this is the EDC that I carry pretty much every day. Once in a while, I will swap out knives just because I want to. But this is what I carry. This is what works for me. Maybe you can get some ideas off of it. Maybe you hate all this stuff. Cool, rock on. Just trying to give you guys, maybe something to think about in your everyday life. Maybe to improve your lifestyle and improve your everyday carry. If you like what you see, please give me a like and a thumbs up. We got more videos coming on the way about tactical gear, IFAKs, vehicles, I mean, all kinds of cool stuff. So, thanks.